Man, I'm out here on Lavon, and when I say a crappie vendetta, I want to tell you, Ray Hubbard, you pissed me off so bad with crappie that it's just unreal. It's unreal. I'm out here on Lavon right now, and I got some Minn Kota Ulterra issues. All right, she is stuck. She's stuck. She is in a position called motor paused. She won't go up. She won't go down. She like, Waco, we ain't coming out. So, I had to get off of the water. But man, I can't wait to show you the rip lipping that went through today. Absolutely insane. I'm here, but it looks like Mr. Unlike You is out of commission. We're gonna need some boat work. So, that's the rig. This mofo here is stuck. It won't do anything. So this is the eye of my boat, and I had to finagle it to where this wasn't in the way so that I can get it up on the trailer. Look at all of this. You got all this scratching, you got all this scraping. I'm gonna be out of commission for a minute or two. But I caught enough fish for me to be all right. Let's see. I'm gonna count the fish at home. I'm tired, and I need to go buy some new bubble blades, because I know to clean all the ones I got, I'm gonna need a new knife.